children. Today you will read Environmental Science, the chapter 2, our wonderful body. Open page number 7. This chapter is on page number 7. Our wonderful body. Our body is wonderful. It means it do various beautiful jobs like eating, playing, reading, writing, etc. But these jobs done by which parts? In previous class you learned about so many body parts like head, hair, nose, eyes, chin, cheeks, etc. In this class, in class 1, you will read more about body parts. Our body is like a machine and it has many different parts. So you can look at this page. Look at the picture given below. This is the picture. Read the names of part of our body. I will read the body parts. You will follow me. You will also speak the name of body parts. Can you tell me what is this? You know it better. This is head. Your head is this. Where is your head? This. What is this? These are hair. Hair are of various colors like black, brown, red, so many colors, and your grandmother hairs are in grey color. And what is this? This is eyes. This is nose. This is lips. These are teeth, chin, cheeks, and this is forehead. So here also the body parts are showing here. This is hair, black color hair. This is head. This is forehead. This is forehead. Forehead is showing here. Eye. Which part is this? Which body part is this? This is eye. This is ear. Where is ear? Ear. You have 2 ears. This is ear. You have 2 ears. You have 2 eyes. This is nose. You have only 1 nose. Okay. This is chin. Where is the chin in this picture? This is chin. And the next, come down to your body part. This is neck. Where is neck? This is neck. This boy have neck here. Neck. The position of neck below the chin. Okay. Shoulder. What is shoulder? These are shoulder. These are shoulders. This is one shoulder, and including 2 shoulder we will say shoulders. Okay. These are shoulder. Chest. This is chest. This is chest. Chest. Now, under the chest there is a stomach. Stomach आपका पेट, जिसको हम लोग stomach बोलते हैं. Stomach. This is arm. Where is arm? This is arm. This is arm. And in the leg section, this whole is leg. Leg has many parts. First, the fatty part is thigh. Thigh. Under thigh, this is knee. This is knee. In one leg. I am telling about one leg body parts. One leg parts. Okay. Under knee, this is ankle. This is ankle. And the whole is called the finger in your foot. This is foot, and the finger in your foot is called toes. What we call these fingers? We call toes. Okay. And the whole part is this called foot. One part is called foot and the 2 foot called feet. Right? This whole part is leg. Now in arm also have many parts. One is shoulder, the next, this is palm. The whole part is, this is palm. And you have so many fingers. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. But this part is called thumb. What we call this? We call this thumb. Okay? So, as you can see here, there are so many body parts. You should know the whole body parts. You should know how to tell them. I repeat it again. This head, hair, forehead, eye, ear, chin, nose, neck, shoulder, chest, arm, fingers, thumb, leg, foot, toes, ankle, knee, thigh, stomach, hand, chin, eye, forehead, head. Okay children, you have to learn these body parts name properly and you should know the spellings. You have to learn the spelling of all these body parts. Okay, now turn over the page. Come on, page number 8. Page number 8. You saw these body parts. Now you should know the work of these body parts. Here are some works of some body parts. What is this? This is eye. Which part is this? Palm. Which part is this? Nose. And which part is this? Foot. So, now you will read about the work of your body parts. Okay? Each part of the body has its own work to do. Our legs do various things, like what our legs do. Our legs do like playing, walking, running, skipping, cycling, etc. Our legs do various things like playing. You play in the park and playground. Walking. You walk with your legs. Walk in your park, walk on your footpath, walk on the road. Playing, walking, running. All the time you kids running here and there in the park or the playground. So the next work is skipping. Have you seen the skipping rope? You can see in this picture, this girl is skipping, taking a skipping rope. He is doing what? With her leg? He is skipping. This boy is doing what? He is cycling. He is doing cycling. Okay. So, with our leg, we do many things. Now, what we do with our nose? Do you know? What is the job of nose? What is the work of nose? What is the work of nose? The work of nose, it smells the flower and many other things. You can see in this picture, this boy is smelling the flower. There are so many beautiful flowers around us and they have their own beautiful smell. And so many other things we smell also. Now, what the work is nose? Smelling. Smell. And what is the work of our hands? What is the work of our hands? Our hands do many jobs like Writing. I am writing here. I am writing with a pen. The work of hand is writing, playing. You play Ludo game and other games with your hand. Playing, drawing. You draw very well in your class. Drawing and eating. You eat with your hands. So these jobs are done by your hands. Okay. Now come on page number. You can see in these pictures what the boy is doing. The boy is writing with a pencil on his notebook. This boy is what is he is doing? What he is doing? He is playing with his leg. These two kids, what are they are doing? They are playing. They are playing with their hands. Come on page number 9. Now what is the work of our mouth? What is the work of our mouth? This is my mouth. Like this, you have also a mouth. We do with our mouth. We speak. We speak with our mouth. Speak मतलब बोलना. We eat. We eat something with our mouth. Right? Now the next one is eye. What we do with our eyes? What is the work of eyes? Our eyes help us to watch television, read books. We read like this with our eyes. You read anything with your eyes. You see anything with your eyes. And we see beautiful birds, flowers around us with our eyes. So eyes are very important body part of our wonderful body. Now this chapter is over. So what we learned today? We learned our body has various parts. Every body part has its own work to do. Means eyes cannot hear, eyes cannot smell, eyes can only see. Okay? So each body part has its own work. The next, our legs help us to run. We run with our legs. Our nose help us to smell things. My nose help me to smell the flower and the other delicious things. Okay? Our eyes help us to watch television. We watch television. We watch mobile phone. We watch movies, video games, etc. with our eyes. So every body part has its own work. So today you learned so many body parts, the other body parts name, but we learned the work of some body parts like our leg, hand, eyes, nose, and one more thing I will tell you about the ear. What is the work of ear? We hear anything. We hear the talks. We hear any sound with our ear. So, and the mouth, what is the work of mouth? We eat, we speak with our mouth. So, in your chapter, some body parts have their work. You have to read about this properly. And you can see this in this picture. This boy is eating something with his mouth. And this boy is watching movie on television. So, you can better understand what is the work of eye. So you have to learn the all body parts name. You should know the spellings of each body part and you should know the work of each body part. Till then now, bye.